Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's demo we will learn about what is meant by flat file. Okay, what is meant by flat file schema, and with the help of how you can create a flat file, how you can create a flat file schema as well, and with the help of how you can execute your IS service. Okay, so basically flat file is nothing but it is a complex hierarchical structure of a data, like you can say it is not a proper formatted data. So to communicate this kind of a file we required a flat file schema. Okay, so to communicating this flat file schema, it means a flat file schema is a blueprint of that particular flat file, and it contains the instruction for the passing or creating a flat file, and it is created as a namespace element in the integration server. Okay, so let me show you one kind of a flat file. Okay, this is your flat file. It contains your data like ID, country, accessories, invoice ID, department, model, mobile number, and everything. Also, here it contain a delimiter. Like here, one delimiter we have. We could mention also second delimiter as well. Okay. So if you have such a kind of a data, if you have such a kind of a file, how you can communicate that? In web method we required a flat file schema. Okay. So how you can create a flat file schema in web method 10.15? Let's start the demo so that you will get to know the concept exactly. Okay. So very first I created one FlatFile demo package, FlatFile demo folder, and in that folder I created FF schema folder and service folder. Okay. So in FF schema folder, just right click new, and then here you can see FlatFile schema option. Okay. Give the name book FlatFile schema. This is a user defined name. Okay. Next, here two option is there. Create a manually, create from your sample file. So we don't have a sample file. I just while select this option, create a manually. So you'll get to know how you can select those particular option. Okay. So create manually, you need to select this kind of option. Once you finish that particular flat file schema, here you can see the record parser type, field or composite, subfield. After that, you can see this option record character. Okay, so release character. So here record parser type. This is a delimiter because in my flat file I have a delimiter. This is a comma. Okay, and record character you can say is a new line. Okay, so when like one line complete, you need to jump to another step, like another, this is your second line. Okay, so for that we required a just new line record character. Okay, field or composite, you may want to say there are so many option, new line, backspace, carriage, return, tab, and format, but in our case we have a comma. So mention this particular comma delimiter here. So once it done, then here record identify, select this option end field. Okay, and then go to flat file structure option. Here the flat file ff schema book flat file schema. Okay, so right click on that particular option, select new, and then there are two options is there, record definition and record reference. So we need to select record definition, then next, and here you mention, like you have to mention this particular flat file identifier. Okay, so in your case catalog, this is your identifier, so we need to mention this is a catalog related identifier. Okay, so record definition is a catalog. Now this part done. Okay, after that we have those particular details like ID, country, accessories, invoice ID, department, model, and mobile number. Okay, so how you identify here? Okay, so just right click this catalog option, new, and then here we need to select the option field definition. Okay, and in that field definition, so this is not a fixed position or extractor type, you can select as a n field. Okay, so here I'll mention the name as a first name is ID, I think. Let me check. Okay, ID. So just copy from here, ID. Then position would be 0. Always remember position start from 0. mandatory, you can like select as a mandatory. This kind of option you can insert a row, and by using this option you can delete a row. Okay, so I required a row, so I just clicking this option, then insert your second second field, country. Okay, field definition, then position would be 1, and this is not a mandatory, no problem. Okay, then third, accessories. To avoid a human error, always copy paste from the file, so that no need to take any risk here. Then fourth would be your invoice ID. Then this is your department. Then model and MOB number. Okay, model and then MOB number. Let me check I like mention correctly or not. Okay, it's fine. Then position would be 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Here invoice ID and ID, it's a mandatory field. Then finish. Please specify a name. Okay, so this field is extra, you can delete it. Now you can finish. Okay, here you can see. So this is your record definition and this is your field definition. And now the main part is that is created here. Once you save now, so once you save this particular uh, file like flat file structure, then here you can see this particular option, create document type. So click on that particular option. Now you will able to see the flat file document here. Okay, the name would be same, only dt, like dt option will tag to particular flat file schema. Okay, double click and check the catalog, and this is your particular file, like country, like inside a country, like inside a catalog, id, country, accessory, invoice id, department, model, mob number and all. Okay, once it's done, then I'll create one service to identify the record, new, then flow service. Here I'll give the name as a flat file flow service. Okay, now the empty flow got created. I just take one sequence. Here you can see how you can handling the error handling, like try catch block. Okay, so here sequence, give the comment as a main block. It always exit on a success. Then this is your second. This is a parent sequence. This is a child sequence. So inside a parent sequence, move right. This sequence. This would be same. And this sequence is exit on failure and comment try block. Always remember, in try block you mention your business related logic, and this sequence, this is a cache block. It always exit on done, and comment you can mention this is a cache block. Detailed video already we uploaded on the same channel, the try catch block error handling. You can also go through that particular video so that you will get to know the particular try block sequence and how it identify, how you can like performing your error handling in web method 10.15. Okay, so this is structure of your try catch block. Okay, now you can mention your logic here. Okay, so I just invite one service here, like invoke one service here. You can go in your wm flat file, wm service, like pub folder, flat file, and here you can see the convert to values. Drag and drop here. In an input output, you can take one string flat file, yeah, ff data. Okay. Now it's done. Go to pipeline. It's not saved. That's why it's not showing here. Let me save first. Okay. Again, see here ff data directly mapped to ff data because field name and data type it's same. That's why it's like implicitly mapping, you can say. And like copy this flat file schema here. Just copy and paste it here. Ff schema. Then okay. Once it done, no, then drag and drop this book flat file dt here. Give the name as a book. And ff values to book map, and you can save. Here catch block, you need to invoke one service here. Insert, you can already use the service, it's already there. So just double click and invoke here. Okay, get last here. Now you can save this code. Here we don't require those, but you can undrop, like drop it. ff data we don't require. ff schema you can drop it, and once it done then save and then run. So ff data we require input, and we are passing this input, okay, to this particular schema, like ff data. Then it maximize and then paste it here. Okay, okay. No valid records. Found no valid record. Okay, let me see. See guys, here max repeat option it's one. Okay, but in our case we have a number of records, so we need to mention here. Once you click on that particular catalog, here select this option unlimited and then save. Okay, then you can delete this one. Click on that and click here and create a new document here. So now the document got created. Okay, this is FlatFile service. So let me try. See here catalog says capital, but in our case C is a small. Okay, so we couldn't change here. Let me check catalog, save. Then again delete this document, save, create that one. Go to your IS service. Any kind of error you facing now, then you will get to know how you can debug, yeah, how you can trace this error and solution would be. So this thing is correct, no problem. Here one thing I'll do, just this document mapping I'll delete ff values. Here I'll delete, drop it. Here I'll delete this mapping, save it so that it automatically, like, it's completely delete. Okay, now what I do, I'll just drag and drop this document here, give the name as a book. Okay, and then ff values to book, map, and save. And now you can run. Okay, now see, book and catalog 0, those record you mention your flat file all are coming here. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's demonstration. Here we saw how you can identify like flat file, how you can create, also how you can create a flat file schema as well. Okay, apart from that, we created one is service like flow service. Here also we identify like invoke one convert to value service. Okay, to convert your flat file structure, your flat file document to your is document. Okay, and here also we can identify the try catch block, how you can like recognize, yeah, how you can the structure of a try catch block basically we understood here. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's demonstration. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and comment as well. Okay. Any query, any concern, please do let me know in your comment section. Okay. We'll see you in next workshop. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected. Thank you so much. Have a great day.